3, 2, 1.
Good day everyone. Today, I'm going to illustrate the different parts and functions of an analog multimeter. Here is a zero corrector for our pointer that indicates the reading of our scale. This part is called a 0 ohm adjuster knob, and here is a range selector knob with its corresponding ranges. Now, I am going to show you the test proofs along with its test pins. So you can see this is the test proofs and this is the test pins. I have with me the test proofs with its test pins. The black one is negative and the red one is positive proofs. This is the negative and positive polarity. An analog multimeter, and that's how it works. Here I am going to show you on how to operate a multimeter. So I am going to use alternating current for the outlet and then direct current for the battery. As you can see, there is a positive sign here in the battery. Before measuring the volts of the outlet using a multimeter, I am going to switch the range selector knob to the alternating current with a range of 750, and as you can see, the pointer moves. Now I am going to switch the range selector knob to the direct current with a range of 10 volts to measure the voltage of the battery. So we are going to put the test pins in its corresponding signs, the positive and the negative. And as you can see, the pointer moves.
Thank you, Bumila Miguel.